Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here going to run through the trade with you on this 21st of April 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room where we trade the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Today we're going to take our trade of the day from the S&P 500. I'd like to mix it up just a little bit. And same thing as we always do. Nothing really changes from day to day. We do the same thing every day. And the first thing we want to point out here is that the selling team has come down to this level right here. And they've failed to close 3 times below that line. Now, we don't have to know what that line is. We simply have to recognize that one team has failed to go short in this direction. We then wait for a very strong candle to go in the opposite direction, and we'll take that one going in the opposite way. How do we know that this is a very strong candle? Because we have a samurai indicator right here that when you have a little green arrow means it's strong going long, a little red arrow means it's strong going short, and the number underneath tells you how much stronger it is than the previous candle. In this case, it's only 1 time stronger than the previous candle, but that's still pretty good, especially after we have multiple failures going in one direction. We look for the first strong candle going in the opposite way, and then we go for the appropriate length target. How do I know what the appropriate length target is? I look over here at the PVI. I see it's coming down a little bit. These are number of ticks. So the next candle should be at least 21 ticks long. We expect it to be somewhere between 21 and 30 ticks. So I drew a 30-tick box onto the chart. Now what we'll do is we want to enter this, but we want to retrace first. So we want the next candle to push down. But in case it doesn't push down, we're going to put a cover order over the top of this candle, a couple of ticks over the top. And if it just decides to shoot up, we'll get it covered. If not, we'll let the retrace come down, and then we'll move our stop to the body of the candle. All right, so that's but we'll put a 30-tick target on there. You'll see when we get picked up, I'll stop it, the replay as necessary. So here we go. We'll go 1 times the market. So it's going to be market speed, regular speed, until we get picked up in the trade, and then we'll hasten it a little bit so that we can shorten the video. All right, so here we go. We're going to want to buy. All right, well, there's a push down. It's not that great a push, but we can do it. That's a nice push. We'll enter just over top of the current candle, make it come into new territory. First thing I do is move my stop to the appropriate point. So we move it down here, we let the trade go. When we hit our first target, you'll notice that our stop is going to come from all the way down here to a break-even position. So once our first target's hit, we cannot lose money in the trade. And then we're sitting pretty with our feet propped up to see if we can get our longer range targets. So 6s, 12s, and 24s is where we're at. And we'll speed it up a little bit just to see where we go. All right, there's 4 times market speed. First target's taken out. Notice my stop jumped up to a break-even position. My first 2 targets got taken out easily. Now you can leave your risk where it is. It's still going to be a positive trade. It's only -5 at this point. If the market wants to come back down, and play around here, you're giving it a chance to go back up. If you want to move it to +1 after your second target's taken out, you can do that. And we'll see how it all goes. There we go. That was pretty doggone quick. So in less than 3 minutes, we made $600 US. So if you want to learn how to make $600 US in less than 3 minutes, come join us at samuraidaytrading.com. We have a lot of fun in the US closed live trading room. We also have a Euro open trading room as well. But we have a doggone good time. So come and join us, samuraidaytrading.com. That's our trade of the day. We'll look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Have a great day. We'll see you then.